Hey guys, welcome back to Milana Love Channel. Today we're here at
You're joking.
Japanese corn dog and bakery. We're just gonna go see what it is because it looks so cool. Like I'm seeing a lot of ads like Instagram about it. So I want to really see what's there. Let's go. So I think this is the Barbie. Do you want to get the Barbie? No.
I give a fuck what you heard.
What do you want to get? I just want to get tennis.
You're joking.
Yeah, I already know I'm spending Let me get that. Yes. How much are the munchies? I'll be honest with you, this is actually my birthday. They track my work.
All cheese. Okay. Can I get one hot Cheeto?
Yeah.
One potato.
Potato.
Yeah, and then another.
And another all cheese potato. Yeah. So you have your donuts, right?
Yeah.
And then you have the 3 all cheese hot dogs. One of them is hot Cheeto and then 2 of them are potato.
Yeah.
Is that right? All right. So that's going to be 34.31. Okay.
Okay.
Can I get a name for your order?
Are you serious right now, bro?
I get it. All right. So that's going to be 316. Okay.
I'm excited. So pretty, right? Look,
It's a crunch to me.
it's like a crunchy bit. No, I don't know what. This is so cool. This is the hot Cheeto one. And these are potatoes. This one just has sauce on it, right? So excited. This is the hot Cheeto one. It's spicy. It's kind of... It's so good. It's so spicy. I turned... This is so good. This is so good. It's like a shareable. You could just, it's literally just like a shareable. You could just like make it into little munchies. It's caramel. It's caramel. It's so good.
You're joking.
So good, huh? Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Like, I recommend this place. You see, we already tried a few of the desserts. Yeah. And I like absolutely recommend this place. It's like such a good place because there's so much sweet. It's called Japanese Corn Dog and Bakery. Yeah. It is such a good place. Like, look at this packaging. Like, it's inside. You can see like the little penguin. I think that's the whole like Japanese thing.
That's a duck and a whale.
Is it right here? Or a penguin or like a little like something that's so
a
cute.
duck. That's
And
a
yeah, so
duck.
we had so much fun.
That's a
We
duck.
tried a lot of things. We tried the corn dogs just with cheese, and we tried this. I recommend the hot Cheeto one because it was spicy and it was really good. Really, really good. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more cool
content.
Bye!